Here's time to try spaghetti. Hello, Mom. How's your spaghetti, Mom? I mashed some of those and some are long. Yummy spaghetti. Yummy. Use your right hand. Because your right hand, not left. It's hard to teach if you're gonna be left hand. Here, Baba, use your right hand. Good girl. Eat, please eat. I just memory mark. On the table, please. On the table. On the table. On the table. Naku, hirap nito, hindi mo pasubo. Ayaw mo pasubo, sarap ano. Sarap kurutin sa kilikili. Eat your spaghetti. Spaghetti. Eat your spaghetti. Hello. Hello. Oh, what did you say? What's that? What are you pointing? Oh, the giraffe? The toy giraffe, you mean? The toy giraffe? Yeah, the toy giraffe. Okay. We can get that for you. Eat your lunch first. Finish your lunch. Eat, please. Yeah? What's that? The pot. You see the pot? Yeah? Oh. Don't touch your hair. No. No. It will get dirty. Touch your food. What did you see? Oh, the pot. Yeah. Yeah, you can play that after your lunch, okay? Yes, after your lunch we can play. Keep eating, please. No touching. Touch your food. Oh, eat. Pasta is so yummy. Zoe likes it. Open your mouth. Just a little. Open.